Is your screen lock grayed out on WhatsApp? Can't you enable screen lock on your iPhone and you keep getting WhatsApp was not able to retrieve current privacy setting? Please try again later. Now, if you have issues, screen lock. Follow only 2 quick tricks to solve your problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Now reset your Face ID or Touch ID. If you already set this up, scroll down. Tap Reset Face ID. After setting up your Face ID and Touch ID again, now you need to go back and scroll up. Tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Now find out WhatsApp. Tap Offload app, tap Reinstall app. Quickly after following these settings, now move on and try to check your screen lock for your WhatsApp account. If you still have issues, please let me know. Thanks for watching.